Have you ever sat at a piano, placed your fingers on the keys and thought, I wish I could play like that? Maybe you've tried before. You watched tutorials, downloaded apps, or even took a few lessons, but something wasn't clicking. Your fingers felt stiff, your songs didn't sound right, and you started to think, maybe I'm just not talented enough. I see it all the time. Students who give up because they are overwhelmed with information, people who feel stuck playing boring exercises instead of real songs, adults who think they are too old to learn piano, and worst of all, the feeling that progress is slow and the joy of music is out of reach. But here is the truth. Anyone can learn to play the piano. You just need the right guidance and the system that works for you. Imagine this, sitting at the piano and confidently playing your favorite song, seeing your friends and family's faces light up as you share your music, feeling a sense of pride and accomplishment every time you play. Piano isn't just about learning the notes, it's about experiencing joy, reducing stress, and expressing yourself through music. And it doesn't matter if you are a complete beginner, have small hands, or think you have no rhythm, I can help you get there. My name is Nikola, and I've helped students of all ages unlock the joy of piano playing, even those who thought they had no musical ability. Here are some of the things you will learn with me. I'll guide you through everything from sitting at the piano with proper posture to playing your first notes and chords with confidence. You'll play songs you actually love, keeping you motivated and excited to practice. If you have never read music before, no worries. I'll guide you through it in a simple, easy to understand way. Want to add your personal touch? I'll show you how to improvise and express yourself musically. I'll train you to develop your musical ear so you can recognize melodies and play without needing sheet music. And whether it's for family, friends, or an audience, I'll help you perform without fear and truly enjoy sharing your music. No matter your current level, you'll be able to make steady progress and have fun along the way. With my method, you'll build a solid foundation and start playing beautiful music faster than you ever thought possible. What makes my lessons different? We start slowly breaking everything into easy to follow steps, no overwhelming details, just step by step, simple guidance. This isn't boring pre-recorded video course. I'm here with you, my lessons are live, personal and tailored to your progress. And the best part, you can learn from the comfort of your home through my online lessons, whenever and wherever it suits your schedule. I know what you might be thinking, I'm too old to learn, I don't have the time, I'm not musically gifted. But here's what I tell all my students, it's never too late. Whether you are 7, 17 or 70, piano is for everyone. You don't need hours of practice each day. With just a few minutes of focused, guided practice, you'll start seeing results. And talent, it's not magic, it's about learning the right way. Let me show you how. To help you get started, I'm offering a free trial lesson. In just 30 minutes, you'll see how simple and rewarding learning piano can be. This isn't just another app or random video, it's a one-on-one session where I'll focus on you, your goals, your struggles and your dreams. Don't let another day go by wishing you could play. Take that first step. You can do this and I'll be here to guide you every note of the way. Music has the power to change your life. It's calming, it's rewarding and it's yours to enjoy. Let's make this year you finally learn to play piano. Click the button below to book your free trial lesson and let's get started.